Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So we've been decoding Mamwich, changing to Manwich. We got through our extractions. We got through our numerology conversions. We got through our gematria conversions. We actually found the University of New Mexico, and we confirmed them as a potential quantum network user. We showed all the gematria connections, and now we're on simple binary. And I just want to say that I've decided that I'm going to do the alphabetic order as well. And I'm going to use this as a test run for the alphabetic order. So one more decode to go. After we get through binary, I'm going to test run alphabetic order here. And we've been talking about it and about possibly doing the alphabetic order in reverse, and others that could be used. But I'd like to get a test run of the alphabetic order because I'm thinking about that maybe our best bet with the South America move would be to use the alphabetic order to convert. And so I want to get a test run to see if there's anything there. So that's what we'll be doing after simple binary. So right now we're seeing what's there and what isn't there with simple binary. And to get that, we have MN. That's our extractions. I'm not going to go through that again. Mamwich to Manwich, and M changed to an N. And M is 0 and N is 1, so we brought 0, 1 over, or down, however you want to look at it. So 0, 1 for we went through the stock market, and now we're in genetics. So 0, 1 ends up being chromosome 1, among a couple of other things. Humans normally have 46 chromosomes in each cell, divided into 23 pairs, 2 copies of chromosome 1 copy inherited from each parent, form one of the parts. Chromosome 1 is the largest human chromosome, spanning 249 million DNA building blocks, base pairs, and representing approximately 8% of the total DNA in cells. Identifying genes on each chromosome Identifying genes on each chromosome is an active area of genetic research because researchers use different approaches to predict the number of genes on each chromosome. The estimated number of genes varies. Chromosome 1 likely contains 2,000 to 2,100 genes that provide instructions for making proteins. These proteins perform a variety of different roles in the body. So we've got a lot of protein coding genes, and now we have chromosome 1 that provides instructions for making proteins as well. And on top of that, you also have 1q21.1 micro deletion. Microdeletion is a chromosomal change in which a small piece of chromosome 1 is deleted in each cell. So, and also you have breast cancer gene 1. So you got a couple things going on there, and that gets you through going forward. Now we come back to 10. How about base 10 genetics, genomic programs, infectious disease? Well, I meant to click into here. Base 10. Real-time clinical decisions require modern disease management solutions. Flexible data management and real-time insights are essential to staying ahead of the curve. Well, that's nice. I'm glad I got to read that. And there's your Convids 1984 by George Orwell. So I'm over this already, but base 10 genetics. And then you have 10x genomics, mastering biology to advance human health. So they have products, technology, research areas, publications. There's technology, research. There's two of our categories right there. You also have chromosome 10. And let's see what chromosome 10 does. Chromosome 10 likely contains 700 to 800 genes that provide instructions for making proteins. These proteins perform a variety of different roles in the body. So there's more protein coding. There's two protein coding chromosomes that we found here. And base 10 genetics again. So that gets you through going forwards and backwards in genetics. So there's two protein coding chromosomes on top of all the protein coding genes we found in these decodes. So if you wanted to look for a connection outside of the gematria, there is one. I think every single one of these has had protein coding genes in them. Every one of these decodes, all of them, I believe, has had protein coding genes. Most of them anyway, for sure, if not all of them. So there's another connection. Why? We think they're calculation points being used by quantum computers, leaving a code as a small change in reality, because quantum computers operate in reality as opposed to on the internet. And they're definitely looking at protein coding genes if we're correct. So that's going to be it for this one. We'll do medical next. We'll try to get through these categories in simple binary. And then I will use the alphabetic order and convert MN to the numbers that correspond. I'm not sure what they are offhand. We'll get to that when we get to it. And we will use that as a test run to see if there's anything there. So, and it's a good one to use as a test run because it's a shorter decode. So why not? If we're going to do it, we're going to do it sometime. Might as well do it now. So that's going to be it for this one, guys. So for now, thanks for all your thumbs up, thumbs down when appropriate. Thanks for all your comments, leads, feedback, and subscriptions. And thanks for watching, guys. And for now, you guys have a great rest of your day.